Hello guys, this time I am with a video of home decor, and by this you can decorate a very small area of your house which will really look pretty because small areas also count. For this you need colored papers, double-sided tape, scale, a pair of scissors, pencil, and if you don't have a black paper you can also use a permanent marker. So now don't waste much time and let's start our video. Now what you need is a white paper. Just measure the length of the switchboard and the breadth also so that you can draw your tree accordingly. When you have measured, just put the markings on the paper. Here I have my length as 17 and breadth is 17.5. Now I'm going to draw the tree soon as soon. Now I have drawn my tree and here it's looking like this. You can also draw in any other design if you want, but I have drawn it like this. Now I have cut it out and now I'm gonna stick the double-sided tape on this back. Now I'm gonna draw flowers and I have folded the paper into so many small blocks so that I can get many flowers at one time. Here is my flower. Now I'm gonna cut it. See, you can all so many flowers are there, and then I have folded them so that it give a 3D look, as you can see in the video. You can also draw polka dots in just mid of them, and you can also stick leaves just like this with a glittered sheet because this looks really very attractive. And now here I have one more type in which I stick the birds, and in this one there is a bit red salt. Now if you liked my video, please like and share and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon too and stay home, stay safe. Thank you.